Hey everybody, Pat here from West Corners Custom Cycles. I want to thank everybody for tuning back into the Underground Garage. I want to thank everybody for all the comments, all the likes, all the subscriptions. That's how we grow the channel here. Please keep them coming. I want to invite everybody out there to subscribe, to like, smash that subscribe button. Join the Underground Army. Be all you can be. Ring that bell. Get notifications whenever we're putting up a new video. Go to the channel. Check out all the previous videos that I've put out. There's a lot of cool stuff out there. Today's video is the second in the series on the $1,000 1975 Sportster I picked up. We're going to transform this thing into a really cool looking bike. I'm going to take you out to the build, show you where I'm at right now, what I've done, where I'm going, and we'll take it from there. All right, let's go out and check out the build. Peace. Hey everybody, Pat here from West Corners Custom Cycles. Welcome back to the Underground Garage. I told you I'd get back with you just as soon as I got the 75 Sportster tore down. I've got it all tore down. It's right down to the frame, nothing but motor, frame, front end. I want to take you around it, show you it, show you where I'm at, where I want to go with it, things I got to do with it, and let's take a look. Okay, here we go. Got everything tore off it. Got the front fender off it. We got the tank off it. We got the exhaust off it. Both seats, rear fender, rear tire, chain guard. Got the shocks off it. Got the linkage and everything for the forward controls. As I told you before, they were bent. These are the two brackets for the forward controls. I've already straightened them out and painted them. I'm going to put those back on there today. So this is where we're at. I decided I've got a King Peanut tank I'm going to put on there. It's gloss black. Figuring out what fender I want to do. I've already, you can see this chrome bracket for the spring seat. And I made this bracket here that goes across the frame for the rear of the seat. Take you up around the front here. Front fender is off it. It's stripped down pretty good. You can see the forward controls are laying on the ground. I'll get all that stuff back on today. All right, I just wanted to take you around, show where we're at on it. Got to take care of this mess of wiring. This was all for the rear tail light and turn signals, and nothing's color coded. There's just a bunch of wires, excess wire hanging out everywhere, so I'll deal with that too. But so today I'm going to look at getting the rear tire back on it, the seat on it, get these forward controls back on it, and figure out what rear fender I'm going to use, and we'll go from there. Okay. As always, everybody, live life behind bars. Peace out. I'll catch you when I get this back together. We'll do another video and show you where I'm up to, and probably do another video or two before we get down to the final reveal, and show you where we're at and where we came. All right. See ya. Bye.